Welcome to another Drive with Care video. In this video I'm just going to do a little suburban drive of Folkestone. So kind of all the little roads that lead in. I'm going to try and make it a 10-minute video. It's all about hazards and awareness. So come along and let's see what we can see. I think sometimes, we're driving through little towns, maybe even cities, and we're taking lots of different alternative routes, and that's kind of what I want to do today. And that's just to take one road down here, one road left. I don't really know where I'm going, but I just want to see what kind of hazards I will encounter. So we've got a roundabout here. I want to go third exit. Nice to see some people are indicating. Indicate off. So if you see any hazards that I don't point out, do drop me a comment. It'd be interesting to see what you can see. Zebra crossing, no pedestrians, taxi coming out, indicating out, which is cool. Seeing him with the mask just reminded me I've got an appointment to get my COVID booster. Don't let me forget. Unless you're one of those that don't want it, in which case, don't let me forget. No, don't tell me. Yeah, whatever. Whatever. It's not a conspiracy. I'd rather be healthy, especially with my heart. Okay, so going down, I don't know what road I'm on, it'll be on the screen. Car coming out. I think that's potentially one of the things. On these kind of roads, you'll see lots of little junctions, certainly lots of drives, and people will pull out because it's blind for them. There's a car on my right there, and because of all the cars that are parked, you're always leaning forward to see if you can see. And you think, oh, there's nothing there. So you pull out, and then all of a sudden there's a car. So you have to do some forgiving here. Right, I want to go right on this roundabout. It was kind of straight across, but I had to let the people know behind what I was doing. Oh, I've got hiccups. Must be hungry. Nice clear road. We've got some roadworks going on ahead, which means I have to filter into the right. I think it looks like it could be one way. Where am I? Do I want to go down here? I do. There's people getting on a bus. Okay, we're off. That was awkward. Bus didn't actually stop in the bus stop. And now he's stopping at the bus stop. Giveaway junction ahead. Bus is now turning right. I want to turn right. Where's the Volkswagen Polo going? Certainly not going straight ahead, so it must be turning right or left. Where will she indicate? She's going to get a raspberry from me. Oh, indicators finally come on. You are forgiven, my dear. I know it's a woman because I was watching. Not that that's disparaging against women. The driver, because we're all inclusive. Funky moped. Or is it a scooter? Into the garage. Quite a few pedestrians. Car coming out of junction there. Car wants to turn right, and the black car is allowing him, so I have to react. Stop. Used to be a giveaway junction, but they've changed the road priority here, so it just swings round to the left. Pedestrians. You've seen this one in a video before, haven't you? Let's speed it up so that I can get round and then go back up Tontine Street. Yeah, because I didn't really know where I was going. I ended up down here, and I've done this in another video, so. Lights are red. So I want to go left at this junction, so I'll indicate left. We'll go up through the Creative Quarter and Tontine Street. Pedestrians looking at phone. Car obstructing my view. It's very colourful, isn't it? Now, it is originally a one-way road, but they've made it two-way for taxis and buses to come down. But for cars, you can only go one way. Know your roads. Pedestrian stepping back and forward. Lights are red. Car's decided to turn right. The green car didn't, the green van didn't indicate. Peugeot did. Following into a one-way system, no right turn. I think to my right it was only a giveaway. Grace Hill. Zebra crossing ahead. Pedestrians on my left, but not kind of looking like they're going across the crossing. Roundabout. Let's go left on this roundabout, so indicators on. I saw the Focus put their light indicators on, but then didn't continue with them. Giveaway junction ahead. These cars may slow down and or stop, so I will have to react. Nothing coming from the right, so everybody's flowing onto the one-way system. I'm going to indicate right to get past the buses. Oh, and now the lights are going red, so I'm going back in my lane because I actually want to go left after the bus station. I wonder if my videos will be looked at in 20 years' time, you know, and say, this was Folkestone in 2022, when it's 2042. And I'll be 79 years old. Crikey. Still doing my videos, by the way. Go left into Cheriton Place, lots of pedestrians. There we go. I think we'll wind that one up, shall we? Did you see anything I didn't see? Like this woman getting out of a car. I'll wind the video up. Thanks for watching and bearing with. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now. Drive with care.